Ever wondered how to turn your passion into profit? Welcome to Wealth Nugget, your trusted guide to financial freedom. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling exploration of side hustles. Side hustles aren't just money-making schemes. They're about harnessing your talents and interests to create a revenue stream. Whether you're freelancing, selling handmade crafts, or offering specialized services, side hustles provide a golden opportunity to monetize your skills. To find the perfect side hustle, reflect on your passions and talents. Are you a wizard with words, a master of design, a pet whisperer? The world is brimming with possibilities. The secret sauce to a successful side hustle is aligning it with what you love and what you excel at. Initiating a side hustle may sound daunting, but it's achievable when broken down into bite-sized steps. Maybe it's launching a blog about your culinary adventures, starting a podcast on self-improvement, or offering consulting services within your field of expertise. The digital universe has flung wide the doors to opportunity, so seize the day and take that first step. To fuel your imagination, consider these examples. If you have an eye for capturing beautiful moments, consider freelancing as an event photographer or selling stock photos online. If you're a wordsmith, delve into freelance writing, blogging, or ebook publishing. The digital realm is a treasure chest of side hustle opportunities waiting to be discovered. Now, how do you transform your side hustle into a money-making machine? Leverage the power of social media to market your services or products. Cultivate connections within your industry, collaborate creatively, and maintain a high standard of quality. As your brand blossoms, so too will your income. The more value you offer, the more you'll reap. As we draw this journey to a close, remember these nuggets of wisdom for side hustle success. Consistency is key. Learn from setbacks and remain adaptable. Engage with your audience. A thriving community around your hustle can catapult your success to dizzying heights. And now, it's your turn. Share your side hustle dreams or tell us which example struck a chord with you. A huge thanks for joining us on this Side Hustle Odyssey. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe for more financial wisdom, and share your thoughts with us. Until next time, keep hustling and pursuing your dreams. This is Sebastian from Wealth Nugget, saying farewell. Here's to your side hustle success.